Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to delete your World of Warships account. Before you try and delete your account though, I have a couple of important reminders. Deleting your account is permanent, and you will lose all your ships, your progress, and your purchases. This cannot be undone. And if you still want to delete your account, follow these steps. First, open your browser and go to wargaming.net. After that, log in. And after logging in, click on your profile on the top right corner here and click on account management. Once you're here in account management, scroll down to where you can see your data protection. Click on manage data right here. And here you can see delete account. Click on that. And Wargaming wants you to confirm your action. Enter your password and your email. Click on confirm. And Wargaming will start a waiting period before final deletion. You must confirm through your email to continue. After the waiting period, your World of Warships account will permanently be deleted. Quick reminders. This deletes your entire Wargaming account and not just the World of Warships. You can't recover the account once it's gone. Make sure you really want to do this before confirming. Note that if you have a World of Tanks account connected to this account in Wargaming, that will get deleted as well. And that's how you delete your World of Warships account.